Want to be among the first to know when perfect jobs are posted on Upwork? In this video, I'll show you how to set up job alerts so opportunities come to you automatically, giving you a competitive edge. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Job alerts are your secret weapon for staying ahead of the competition. They ensure you never miss relevant opportunities and can apply early when client inboxes are still fresh. Let's get your alerts activated. First, you'll need a saved search to create an alert from. Once you've saved a search with your preferred keywords and filters, go to your Saved Searches page. You'll see a bell icon or Notifications option next to each saved search. Click the notification icon and choose your alert frequency. Upwork typically offers daily or weekly email alerts. For competitive fields, daily alerts give you the fastest response time. For less time-sensitive searches, weekly digests might be preferable. You can manage all your job alerts in your notification settings. Go to Settings on Notifications to see which searches are actively sending you alerts. This is also where you can quickly turn alerts on or off without deleting your saved searches. A crucial pro tip: create specific, narrow searches for your alerts rather than broad ones. Instead of a general design alert, set up separate alerts for UI/UX designer, $75 plus per hour, and product designer, long term. This ensures you only get highly relevant opportunities in your inbox. When you receive alert emails, review them promptly and be ready to apply quickly. Many clients review applications as they come in, so being early can significantly increase your chances of getting noticed and hired. And just like that, you've set up your personal job scout working 24/7. Now perfect opportunities will find you instead of you constantly searching for them. If this automation tip makes your job hunt smarter, please give it a like. What's the most specific job alert you've set up? Share your targeted search criteria in the comments below. To focus on sustainable work, subscribe for our next video on how to find long-term projects on Upwork. Thanks for watching.